Hey you guys, in this video we're going to draw a golden retriever and I hope you're going to follow along with me. Let's get started. I want to give you a quick preview of how our drawing turned out at the very end. Our golden retrievers turned out really cool and I hope you're excited to follow along with me. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and practice. Don't worry about making your drawing look exactly like mine. Now for this lesson, we're first using our pencil to draw the main shapes of our golden retriever to get them just the way we want them before we use our markers. This is a fun way to get those proportions and the shapes, and then we can add those details and color at the very end. Let's draw the main shape for our little puppy's head. We're going to draw a circle, and we're drawing it towards the top of our paper so that we have room for the rest of the body. And I'm going to draw it about this big, and maybe go over it a couple times just to make sure I get it just the way I want it before we go to the next step. Remember to pause the video and take time to get your shapes just the way you want them to. That's the nice thing about using our pencil, is we can erase any lines we don't want to keep and try again if we want to make it bigger or taller or even add more details. Now let's draw our golden retriever's snout, and we're going to draw it lower below the circle, the first circle we drew. So we're going to draw this size, and we're coming down below the first circle to overlap, and we're going to bring down the side and then curve into the bottom of that second circle. Then remember to erase any extra lines you don't want to keep. That way it won't get confusing when we switch to our marker and you can't remember which line you want to draw on top of. All right, there's the main shape of our little dog's head. Now we can draw the body, and we're going to draw it coming out from the side. I know it kind of looks like an alien right now, but we'll turn it into a cute dog, I promise. And we're going to draw the legs coming down, front legs coming down closer towards the bottom. And then we can draw the bottom of our golden retriever's body right here. So that's how tall our dog is. And if you want to draw a younger puppy, you could draw this shorter. I'm going to draw it a little taller just because golden retrievers are taller and bigger puppies anyways than some of the other dogs we've drawn. Okay, now let's draw the shapes for our ears, for our golden retriever's ears. We're going to have them come out just a little, and then they're going to flop over. So we've got this little diagonal line coming out of the head, and then we're going to draw the floppy part of the ear coming down, and we want these to match as close as we can on both sides. This one looks like it's coming out a little further, so we could have it tip down more if we want. Yeah, and then we're going to have it come down and back up. Okay, I'm going to erase this extra line on top, and then we're going to try to match that same floppy ear on the other side. You could draw guidelines across if you want a little bit of help of how far the ear should come down. And then we're going to draw it curving up and into the head. And there we go. It looks like a little pig, like we're going to draw a pig for some reason. But we're going to change it into our golden retriever. We can put our pencils off to the side and switch to our markers. Let's first start with the nose. We're going to draw it right here at the top of the small circle, and we're going to draw an oval shape. Then we can also color this shape in solid. Now let's draw the mouth. We're going to draw a line coming down right in the middle of the nose, and then we're going to curve out to the side, and we'll do the same thing to match over here. Then we can draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to curve down to the bottom of the circle and then up on the other side. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw them really close to the snout, and this size. We'll draw a matching circle or oval on the other side. Then, like the other puppies that we've drawn, let's draw the highlight or the reflection in the eyes in the top center. So it looks cross-eyed. Then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. This makes the eyes look really shiny. Now it's looking more like a puppy instead of a pig. We can add a little fur up here at the top. We'll draw a curved upside down letter V. We can draw a smaller one right next to it. Then let's trace over the pencil line down to the ear on both sides. Okay, now let's draw the floppy ears. We're going to draw these curved more than what we drew with the pencil. So I'm going to curve up. We're going to curve kind of an S curve down to this bottom corner. And then we're going to draw that same matching curve over here. Okay, now right here at the top, let's draw a little zigzag so that our ears look furry. I'm going to draw an S curve down here and then really curve at the bottom. And then we can curve back into our little puppy's head and we'll stop there. All right, now let's try to repeat that same curve and shape over here on this side. So we'll draw that zigzag in, then we'll draw that S curve, and then we'll curve back in and up. There we go. Now they really look like golden retriever ears. Then we can add the little jaw or rest of the head coming in on both sides. I'm going to stop here. We're not going to connect. Now we're ready to draw the body. Let's draw some fur here. So instead of curving exactly over the pencil line, guideline, we're going to curve out. Then we can add that zigzag coming back in on both sides. And then we'll come back out and then another zigzag. Curve down and out and back in. All right, that looks really cute. They have a lot of fur right here on their chest. So let's draw the legs next. We're gonna curve down, trace over the pencil line, and then we'll stop just above the bottom of this guideline. And then we'll do the same over here. And then we'll draw the paws. We're gonna curve around, and then we'll stop here. I'm gonna do the same thing over here, curve around, and we'll try to match so our paws are the same width on both sides. And then we'll curve up on both sides to match. Yeah, this is looking awesome. I hope you're having a lot of fun. And remember, if I go too fast, you can always pause the video, especially if you want to change any of your lines or add more details. And we have the 2 toe lines on both paws. And now let's draw the hind legs sitting down. So we're going to come up pretty high and we'll curve back down. So we're going to do that same curve over here. So we can draw an imaginary line all the way over to the other side. Curve out to match and in. Okay, and then we can add the paws sticking out. And let's just add one little toe line since it's behind the other front feet. Okay, now we can also draw the belly line coming across. And we're missing a tail. Let's draw it curving up on the right side, and then we'll come back down. And we can add a little zigzag and curve down further. One more zigzag and into the leg. We did it! We finished drawing our golden retriever. It looks really cute, except we're not completely done. We still need to color it. Now this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video at the end and take time to color your drawings. But one last thing before you color, remember to switch to your eraser and erase any of the pencil lines or the guidelines that you can still see. We did it! We finished coloring our golden retriever. It looks so much better all colored in. I hope you'll take time to color your drawings too. I used my markers to color with, but you can use whatever you have. I first colored my dog solid with a light brown, golden brown, and then we also layered on top of it a darker gold brown for the shadows and also to give him that fur texture. Then I used a light gray down here for the bottom and also my white and blue colored pencil to add extra highlights to the eyes and also the nose. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing a golden retriever, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.